Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today's our Leetcode Daily challenge problem is minimum bit flips to convert number. So a bit flip of a number x is choosing a bit from in the binary representation of x and flipping it either 0 or 1. Okay, so basically you are given two numbers, a start and goal, and you have to return the minimum number of bits to bit flips to convert a start to goal. Okay, so here as you can see, you are given a start is equal to 10 and goal is equal to 7. So if we convert this start in the binary form, so it becomes 1010. Okay, and the binary representation of 7 is 011. Okay, this. Okay, so in order to make convert this into this, how many flips do we need? So the last one, that is 0 and 1, we have to convert this 0 to 1. Okay, the 1 is same, so we don't have to do this. 0 and 1, yes, we have to do a flip, and this 1 and 0, we have to do a flip. So basically three flips. Three minimum flips are needed to make this binary to convert this binary number into this. Okay, now what we can do for solving this? The first approach could be like what I will do is I will take two strings s1 and s2, and the s1 I will store all the binary representation of this start. Okay, and how will I do it? I have taken this int a. It will contain basically containing the modulus of start by 2. Okay, and I will convert it into the character form, add it into the string. Okay, and the start would be start divided by 2. Similarly for goal, I will do the same thing. Okay, now I will in the start I will be containing 111, and it sorry start is 10. So in the start I will be containing 1010. Okay, and in this goal I would be containing 111. Okay, so then I will make both the string size equal. Okay, so whichever string is containing less, like whichever string size is less, then I will add additional zeros in the front of the string. Okay, and now these two strings are equal. Now I can simply compare each at each index. I will compare whether the both the indexes of the strings are equal or not. If they are not equal, then I will increment my count variable, and then there I will return the count. Okay, so the time complexity of this particular solution would be O of this string length, like maximum string length, right? It is integer, so 32 bits are there, so of 32 would be the complexity, and we will be using O of string size. We will be using this extra string, so like extra string space is there. Okay, now can we optimize this? Yes, we can. So first, let me comment it out. Okay, so what we can do? See, basically we have to perform the operations on the bits. Okay, so I can use here XOR operator for solving this particular operation because it perform operation on the bits, right? And what does the XOR operation do? Like 0 and 1 would be 1, 1 and 0 would be 0, and 1 and 1 would be 0, 0 and 0 would be 0 only. Okay, so in this problem also, like if we have to find the bits that are not equal, that only we have to count. Okay, so basically what I will do is I will take XOR of both these numbers 10 and 7. Okay, so here the 10 would be this 1010, and our this goal is 0111. Yes, and when I take XOR of these numbers, what would be our answer? See, XOR of 1 and 0 would be 1. So here the XOR result would be 1. Okay, like let me just write this here. Like this is of 10. Okay, and for 7 this would be this binary representation, and if I take XOR of these two numbers, it would be 1 and 1 XOR would be 1, 0 and 1 XOR would be 1 only, 1 1 would be 0. Okay, and 0 and 1 would be 1 only. Okay, so this would be our answer. Okay, this now now what we have to do, we have to find the number of bits that are that we need to change. Okay, so these are the only bits that that is 1. Okay, so what does this 1 represents? That is 0 and combination of 0 and 1. Okay, so how many ones are there? 1, 2 and 3. Okay, here like here 3 ones are there. Okay, so I will count the number of ones in this XOR result. Okay, and whatever be the count would be, I will simply return it, and that would be our answer. Okay, now in the XOR result, basically what I will do is I will run a while loop until it is greater than 0. Okay, and what I will do is I will simply count. I will take this AND operation with the XOR result. Okay, so like this was our result. Okay, 1001. Okay, so what I will do is here in the while loop, count is initially 0, count is plus is equal to XOR result, that is 1001 and 1. So 1 and 1 would be 1 only. Okay, and rest would be 0. Okay, because see, uh, how can we represent this 1? 0, 0, 0 and 1. Okay, this one can be represented in this way. And if I take AND of this particular thing, what it would be? 1 and 0 and would be 0 only, then 0 only, then 0 only, and if I find 1 and 1, then only it would be 1. Okay, so basically it is equal to 1 only, right? And if it is 1, then I will increment my count. Okay, so I will add it into the count, so count is 1 now. Okay, and then what I will do is I will basically right shift. Okay, right shift of XOR result. So XOR result now becomes what? This basically. Okay, so this basically. Okay, so now I will take this end with 1. Okay, now what I will get, it would be 0 only, because 0 and 0 of 0 and 1 would be 0 only, so here I will get 0. Okay, so when it's 0, I will not increment my count variable. Okay, then again XOR result is greater than 0. Yes, it is. So what I will do is I will again make a right shift, right? And again, I will perform AND operation with 1. And what would be your result? It would be 1. Okay. When it's 1, I will increment my count variables. Count becomes 1. Okay. And now, again, my XOR result is greater than 0. So again, I will perform this uh, particular operation. Okay. This right shift operation. Okay, again I will perform this AND, and again I will get 1, so I will again increment my count variable. Count would become 3. Okay, now if I right shift, so it becomes 0. Okay, so if it is basically not greater than 0, then I will simply move out of the loop and I will return count, and count is 0 here. Okay, hope you have understood this problem, guys. Like if I run it, yes, it is running fine, and if I submit it, yes, it is submitted. So hope you understood this problem, guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.